Already one step ahead. Look at that. There's the screw right there. Out she goes. Fortunately, I don't have socket heads with Allen keys, so we do this by hand. Oh my God. This is gonna take forever. One down. Number 2. Click. Clamp will hold it there. Pad comes out. Wow. They were low. That's crazy. Martinez, always. If he's not framing, he's being a mechanic. Just as bad. Alright, everything else is okay. 4 or 5 pound mallet, whatever you got. The rear housing does not have to come off on the Volkswagen Tiguan 2022. Put your earmuffs on and give her a swing. Probably should have put a lug nut in there so it didn't come flying off. Got a little lucky. And that's it. Off she comes. And they were rough. I don't know if you can see how bad that is. Not great. New rotor. First things first. Clean her up. where the pads are going to go. Very important, in my opinion. New pads, just to put it in perspective. Sometimes it'll just sit right there while you put everything back together. Sometimes it doesn't. We're gonna try this time, see what happens. Oh, see, probably premature to that anyways. I don't know if you can see it retracting back here. Probably can't. See that? I just gotta push it back. There she goes. There we go. Just gonna rest right there. New rotor. OE Plus series. I believe that's the model number. Yeah, so it's the second time. Do it after, obviously, you know. Line up small screw with small hole. Find said small screw, which is right there. Back in she goes. Third time's a charm. Other guy on standby. The only thing that I like to do here's the pins. Just lube those up. Get those ready to go off to the side. Off to the side. And inside where they go, get a big old blob in that one. And a big old blob in that one. Clamp goes away. And pads go back on. And that's the gist of it. Slide the pins again. There we go. There's one. Getting it started is the hardest thing. There we go. I guess this video might be to prove that you don't need all the specific tools to do brake job. Especially when the dealership wants to charge you $320 I think it was per axle. Not to mention their parts, their pads and rotors are double the price. Sounds like my kid's having a blast inside. So $320 plus tax per axle. $640 minimum. Plus, I think their OEM products were I think it was $540 plus tax for just the rears. And you can get aftermarket equivalents for, how much were these? They were I think they were $200. No, less. Oh, plus tax. I think it was $89.99 for pads. So both sets, 4 pads. And I think it was even $89.99 for the rotors. Okay, tight. We're all lubed up. Pads are all lubed up. Everything's still loose because it needs to be compressed. And that's it. Oh, spring. Now the springs that came with it, I do not like how they rest on it. Oh, kid's outside. What's up, bud? Go bottom first and top. But you got no clothes on. We're gonna be those neighbors? What's up? You sit in the chair. Oh, you're gonna play with all tools? Yellow? No touchy. Yeah. We are good to go. You almost made it to the road. You're a quick fella. There we go. The joys of children. Somebody is tired. Nothing like keeping it real in a video. Just goes to show you that life is always happening in the background. We'll get those torqued up, but that's it. Pads, rotors, $320 per axle. What was that? 20 minutes? This takes more time getting set up, getting everything out. Plus the dealership pads and rotors, the price. So whatever that is, if you got an afternoon to kill or a weekend, that's it. There's the tools. Simple and straightforward. 34-minute time lapse. In and out.